Hello and welcome to Smart Clips. Let's take this time to settle down and relax and enjoy the video. And now it's time to uncover the astonishing and almost unbelievable. A realm where the extraordinary thrives just beyond our perception. We think we've cataloged Earth's wonders, but we've only scratched the surface. The unseen world teems with life forms that defy expectations. Nature sculpts life into forms that challenge our understanding. These creatures are masterpieces of evolution. Step into a wilder world where the rules of existence bend and blur. Today, we explore hidden corners of Earth, encountering creatures that seem fictional but are real and waiting to be discovered. These beings are not myths, but living entities, each a testament to evolution. Prepare for a journey of sheer wonder, witnessing phenomena that challenge our understanding of biology. We seek to understand the forces shaping these remarkable animals, their unique adaptations and survival strategies, and the intricate ecosystems they inhabit. This is a quest to uncover 5 animals that stretch the definition of what's possible. Each one a marvel, a biological enigma, a story etched in tooth and claw, in scale and feather. Buckle up for a wild ride into the heart of the improbable, where reality surpasses imagination. We will confront the beautiful, the unsettling, and the profoundly weird. Even in a mapped world, pockets of mystery remain. Sanctuaries where life has taken unexpected paths, forcing us to reconsider our place in the grand drama of existence. This is our journey into the echoes of the unseen, celebrating life's boundless creativity. Our first subject emerges from the ancient waters of Mexico, a creature that seems to have sipped from a mythical fountain of youth, choosing a path of perpetual adolescence. This is the axolotl, a species of salamander that, unlike its terrestrial brethren, typically retains its larval features throughout its adult life, a phenomenon known as neoteny. It remains in essence a juvenile, suspended in a state of aquatic grace, never undergoing the metamorphosis that would lead it to a life on land, a choice, or perhaps a destiny to remain forever in the embrace of the water. Observe its extraordinary appearance, the feathery external gills like delicate crimson branches, fanning out from its head, extracting life-giving oxygen from its watery domain. Its eyes, small and dark, possess an almost knowing innocence, set within a broad head that often seems to wear a gentle, enigmatic smile. Its skin is smooth, its limbs slender, its tail finned for effortless propulsion through the still waters it calls home. It is a creature of quiet beauty, a living watercolor painting in shades of albino pink, mottled brown, or deep, mysterious black. Historically, these fascinating amphibians thrived in the high-altitude lakes of Xochimilco and Chalco, near the bustling heart of what is now Mexico City. These ancient waterways, remnants of a vast lacustrine system, provided the perfect sanctuary. But the relentless expansion of human endeavor, the draining of wetlands, and the introduction of invasive species have pushed this unique salamander to the brink. Its story is one of remarkable biological persistence, now set against a backdrop of increasing ecological fragility, a common narrative in this changing world. The axolotl, then, is a paradox. A creature that has, in a sense, halted its own developmental clock, yet it is a fully capable, reproducing adult. It navigates its aquatic realm with an unhurried confidence, a master of its particular form of existence. This decision to forego terrestrial life, to remain in a state of permanent aquatic youth, is not a sign of incompleteness, but rather a highly specialized adaptation, a successful strategy for survival in its ancestral waters, a strategy that now faces unprecedented challenges. Scientists are fascinated by the axolotl's regenerative abilities, which allow it to regrow entire limbs and even parts of its heart and brain. This remarkable trait has made the axolotl a subject of intense scientific study, with hopes that understanding its biology could lead to breakthroughs in human medicine. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this unique species, with breeding programs and habitat restoration projects aiming to ensure its survival. The future of the axolotl may be uncertain, but with continued efforts, there is hope that this Peter Pan of the amphibian world will continue to enchant and inspire for generations to come. We now plunge from the freshwater lakes of Mexico into the crushing, perpetual darkness of the deep ocean to encounter a creature that seems dredged from the very depths of our primal fears, or perhaps from a forgotten era of Earth's history. This is a realm where time seems to stand still, and the creatures that inhabit it are relics of a bygone age. This is the goblin shark, a denizen of the abyssal plains, a living fossil whose lineage stretches back over 125 million years. It has survived mass extinctions and drastic changes in the Earth's climate, a true testament to its resilience. Its appearance is unsettling, almost alien, a stark departure from the streamlined predators that patrol the sunlit upper waters. The goblin shark's unique features make it a subject of fascination and fear. It is a ghost from the Cretaceous, haunting the silent, cold abyss. Its presence is a reminder of the ancient world that once was. Observe its singular form, a long, flattened, blade-like snout known as a rostrum extending prominently from its head, studded with electroreceptors called ampullae of Lorenzini, which allow it to detect the faint bioelectric fields of hidden prey. This adaptation is crucial for survival in the pitch-black depths where visibility is nearly zero. Its skin is not the steely gray of familiar sharks, but a peculiar pinkish gray, almost translucent, revealing the blood vessels beneath. This unique coloration helps it blend into the deep-sea environment, where light is scarce. Its body is flabby, its musculature less developed than that of its shallow-water cousins, an adaptation to the energy-scarce environment of the deep sea, where conservation of resources is paramount for survival. Every movement, every hunt, must be calculated to conserve precious energy. The realm of the goblin shark is one of unimaginable pressures, often exceeding several hundred times that experienced at sea level, and a complete absence of sunlight. This environment is as hostile as it is mysterious. Here, in the bathyal and abyssal zones, typically between 200 and 1,300 meters down, sometimes even deeper, life moves at a slower pace. The scarcity of food and the extreme conditions dictate a more deliberate existence. Food is scarce, and encounters are rare. Each meal is a hard-won prize in this desolate world. It is a world of perpetual twilight or utter blackness, where survival depends on specialized senses and opportunistic predation, a far cry from the vibrant, teeming reefs of the upper ocean. The contrast between these two worlds is stark and profound. This creature is rarely seen by human eyes, primarily encountered as accidental bycatch in deep-sea fisheries. Each sighting, each specimen, adds a small piece to the puzzle of its mysterious existence. Scientists eagerly study these rare encounters to learn more about this elusive shark. It is the stuff of nautical legend, a specter from the crushing depths, its very appearance a testament to the extreme adaptations life can undergo when pushed to the environmental limits. The goblin shark's features are a direct result of millions of years of evolution in one of the planet's most challenging habitats. The goblin shark is a survivor, an ancient mariner of the dark, a chilling reminder of the bizarre forms that evolution can sculpt in the planet's most inhospitable corners. Its existence challenges our understanding of life and adaptation in the deep sea. In the arid heartlands of central Argentina, where the sun beats down with an unforgiving intensity and the dry earth whispers secrets of ancient struggles, there exists an animal so rarely seen, it borders on the mythical. This is the domain of the pink fairy armadillo, a creature of shadow and silence. Its appearances are so fleeting, so ephemeral, that to witness one is to glimpse a phantom, a fleeting whisper in the vast, sun-scorched wilderness. Its very existence is a masterclass in concealment, a life lived almost entirely beyond the reach of human observation, a tiny, solitary ghost navigating a landscape of stark and brutal beauty, where survival is a currency earned in darkness. Its form is unlike any other, a bewildering yet exquisite tapestry of adaptation. A delicate, rose-hued carapace not rigidly fused like its larger kin, but flexible, almost ethereal, drapes its back like a silken shawl. Beneath this dorsal shield, a surprising softness, fine white fur that speaks of an existence spent in the cooler, constant temperatures beneath the Earth's harsh surface. This juxtaposition of apparent fragility and functional design is a hallmark of nature's intricate artistry. It is a creature seemingly crafted from dreams, yet every detail serves a vital purpose in its relentless struggle for survival in this demanding, desolate world, a world that offers no quarter to the unprepared. Here, on the vast windswept steppes of Central Asia, a landscape of extremes unfolds. Summers scorch the earth, while winters bring biting, relentless cold. Dust, whipped up by persistent gales, fills the air, a constant abrasive presence for any creature daring to call this unforgiving terrain home. It is a realm that demands resilience, a place where only the most specialized can truly thrive, carving an existence from the seemingly barren expanse. In this challenging theater of life, evolution has sculpted some of its most peculiar and fascinating forms, each a testament to the power of adaptation in the face of adversity, a silent story of survival etched into their very being. Amongst the hardy grasses and sparse vegetation, a truly extraordinary ungulate roams, the saiga antelope. At first glance it might appear as any other grazer of these plains, built for speed and endurance, yet draw closer, and one feature immediately commands attention, setting it apart from all others. It is an appendage so remarkable, so seemingly out of place, that it lends the creature an almost mythical quality. This is not merely a whim of nature but a critical tool, a masterpiece of biological engineering honed over millennia, essential for its continued existence in this demanding world, a world that offers little quarter. Far below the sunlit surface of our oceans, in a realm of perpetual darkness and crushing pressure, lies an ecosystem unlike any other on Earth. Here, around hydrothermal vents, superheated, mineral-rich water erupts from the planet's crust, creating oases of life in the abyssal void. It is a world powered not by sunlight, but by chemical energy, a testament to life's tenacity in the most extreme environments imaginable. For centuries, this deep-sea domain remained a mystery, its inhabitants unknown, its processes unguessed. But modern exploration has begun to peel back the veil, revealing creatures more bizarre and wonderful than we could have ever conceived. In 2005, a truly astonishing discovery was made in the South Pacific near these volcanic oases. A submersible exploring the murky depths encountered a crustacean so peculiar it seemed to have crawled from the pages of mythology. Pale, almost ghostly white, and adorned with what appeared to be fur, it was unlike any crab seen before. Scientists named it Kiwa hirsuta, but it quickly gained a more evocative moniker, the Yeti crab. This creature, dwelling thousands of meters beneath the waves, instantly captured the imagination. A phantom of the deep suddenly brought into the light of scientific scrutiny. From the dust-filtering nose of the saiga antelope, a marvel of adaptation on the arid steppes, to the microbial gardens cultivated by the Yeti crab in the sunless depths of the ocean, our planet reveals an unending tapestry of life, woven with threads of the bizarre, the beautiful, and the utterly astonishing. Each creature we have encountered in this brief journey is a testament to the relentless power of evolution, shaping life to thrive in even the most challenging, the most unexpected of circumstances. The world is far stranger and far more wonderful than we often perceive. Which one of these incredible animals truly blew your mind and sparked your curiosity about the hidden corners of our natural world? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you wish to continue exploring the weird and wonderful wildlife our Earth has to offer, do subscribe for more journeys into the wild. Thank you for watching.